This is a Sunvic TLX RFPV wireless programmable digital room thermostat. It's got a lot of features, and that means it can be quite complicated to use, so hopefully I can make it easy for you to understand. The unit allows the user to select two different temperatures, known as comfort and economy, for different times of the day, and to program the heating system to come on for the comfort, to switch between the comfort and economy times as you require. It's got a number of inbuilt on-off profiles which Sunvic have put in there because they think these will cover most of the scenarios that people will actually experience. So hopefully there won't be too much detailed programming for you to do. But the first thing you need to do is to set the temperatures that you want the unit to work at. So we open the flap on the right hand side, and to do this you'll see we've got here a sun and moon symbol and the temperature button. So we'll look at those two first. So to set the two different temperatures, press the temperature button and you'll see that we've got the sunshine, which indicates the comfort setting here. 21 degrees, we've got two little arrows up on the top, so we use those to increase the temperature. And this is the temperature that the heating system will aim to get to when it's on that particular comfort setting, the comfort setting shown by the sun. So we'll put that at 20, press this sun moon button, and that then gives us the night sort of setback temperature. It's currently at 12 degrees, we'll increase that to 14 degrees, you press temp, and then that takes you back to the main screen. The main screen shows you the day, so Tuesday, shows you the time, 18 minutes past 3 in a 24-hour clock format. It'll show you the temperature in the room, so it's 22.5 degrees in the room at the moment. P2 indicates the program that you're actually running, and that's shown by these blocks down the bottom. Now what this is 24 hours, so up to 24 across. Each block represents an hour. So what this is showing you is here we've got a number of blocks starting just before the 6. So the controller will tell the boiler to come on and generate heat if it's underneath temperature from 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So it'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of heating there, and then turn off at 8 o'clock, and it'll then come back on at 3 o'clock and go off at 9 o'clock, so you're getting 6 hours there. That's just this particular program. Okay. So if you want to change the program, let's say that's not suitable for you, you've got a number of options. First thing you need to do, you need to press the program button. That'll then flash up at the top. You'll see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday flashing. So if you change the program now, it'll be the same for every single day. So you've got the option of doing that. Press program again. Oops. Scrub that. Right. From that point, so we're back to the program. I said it was a complicated unit. Pressing the up and down button changes what you're going to configure. So if you press the up button, it goes from the same program for every 7 days to the same program from Monday to Friday. So if you're going out to work Monday to Friday, you might want this coming on at sort of 6 o'clock, going off at 8, going back on then at say 3 o'clock and going off at 10 o'clock. And if you wait too long while you're talking to cameras, it'll go back. Okay, you can set a different program for Saturday or Sunday, or you can set a different program for each day of the week. So what I'm going to do is set a program for Saturday and Sunday. So having put Saturday and Sunday there, then press the program button again. Now it's flashing P2, and these are some of this is one of the programs that's built into the unit by Sunvic. Pressing the up and down button will change the program. So this one's program 3, heating the comfort setting, the sun setting will come on at 6 o'clock and go off at 11 o'clock. Program 4, the warmer temperature, the sun setting on at 6 o'clock, that must be off at 8 o'clock, on at 5, off at 11 again. The units are built in Scotland, which is probably why they go on so late, because it's colder up there. Again, this one, program 5, 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock, a couple of hours at lunchtime, a few hours in the evening. Program 6, again, variations on a theme here. Program 7 is on all day, and program 8 is off all day. So, scrolling through them again, I'm going to go for program 6. So program 6 set for Saturday and Sunday. So we're on Tuesday now. If we were on Saturday or Sunday, that would show program 6. So changing it for during the week. Press program again. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Press the program button. Move it to, if we move it to program 1, then what we should see is P1 on the main screen, and the unit will be in the moon mode because it's just before 4 o'clock. Press program, and there we are. So it's moon mode because the unit's now switched off. Temperature 22 degrees, and it won't turn the temperature on until this temperature here. It won't turn the unit on, the heating on, until this temperature falls down to the temperature that we had for it to come on. Now, if there aren't enough, or if there isn't a program suitable for you, you can program your own programs in, and these will take the place of one of the programs 1 to 6. 7 and 8, you can't be altered. So, to create your own program values, press the program button twice, the P1 will flash, and you can then use the plus or minus to change the one that you want to effectively write over, so you won't be able to access this anymore. So we'll go for P1, press the program button again. Now, what we're seeing here, this is where it gets even more complicated. We've got it flashing as off at the moment. We've got the moon sign. Now, if we move this, got to be quick with this. It's not very good for explaining it. So, when the moon is showing, then as you use these buttons to go up and down the 24-hour clock, 4, that means 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. What you'll see is it turns. If you've got the moon showing, if there's a black block there saying it's going to go into comfort mode, it'll turn it off. Okay, so let's say we want to put on the heating at 4 o'clock. We'll switch over to the sun by pressing this button, and as we move up, then we're starting to put the heating actually on. So moon now, because we want it to go off at 7 o'clock, want it to go on again at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it's going to off at 2 o'clock. We then want it off until 3 o'clock. So on at 3 o'clock till 6 o'clock. Off again then. And there, on again. So you can have as many on-off programs as you like, but it only goes for an hour. So you can't have smaller than an hour on or off. So that's how you, and then you press program, and it then stores that for you in whichever program you decided to have. You can only set 2 temperatures with this: the comfort temperature and the sort of the sun, the daytime, and the nighttime temperature. Okay, if you decided actually I don't want the heating on at the moment, but you don't want to get rid of the programming because the heating's on at the moment, you see from that indicator there. Press the button there, sun and moon, and the little man shows up, and that signifies that it's in manual mode. Right, hopefully that's reasonably clear. As I said, it's quite a complicated unit. There'll be more information put on our website, written instructions as to how to use this shortly. Thank you, and I hope it helps you understand your system.